Sammy!
Well, we got Princess got her ice cream, but Sammy doesn't know what's going on.
Oh, look at mine.
Princess is like, what's going on? Look at her.
Oh, he's not even...
He went for the ice cream.
And then he got it in his feet.
He doesn't like the cake so much, but he sure likes the ice cream.
Look at him. He was up there after she was. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's a silly little dog, don't you think? Sammy.
Sammy, look.
I don't want that. I want ice cream, Mom. Give me ice cream. Betty? Betty, what do you think of... Yeah. What do you think about those dogs sitting there at the table? She's saying, I'll raise my son better than this. What do you think this is, a barnyard? Princess?
Oh, you ate it. You ate the hard candy.
Yeah, he got up there, got it.
Sammy.
What's wrong,
I'm
Sam?
done now. 'Cause I'm done.
He's probably shaking because he's got brain freeze.
Oh, yeah. You saw the little doggy?
Bloodshot.
Yeah. Yeah. Sammy.
She took her time. Did you see how many little dumpsters in there? Or dump trucks? And
Uh-huh.
stuff?
Okay. Everybody happy.
My hat.
Betty, you look pretty good. Happy 81st. And of course, many more.
Yeah.
Here, cut it off. Get it?
Hello.
Many more. I think your birthday's next year.
What?
Is your birthday next?
No. Corey's. Oh, well, we're
Wow.
having Corey's next, so.
So I guess yours
Yeah, I guess mine is next.
That's good. We have until August.
Yep.